to the channel. Hi, it's your favorite girl IJ. So in today's video, it's going to be sort of like a self-care video, and I am sorry, I know I'm looking very crazy right now. I don't like always coming on here looking very crazy, but that is the situation that we found ourselves in. So today I'm going to be doing a bunch of self-care stuff. I'm going to be taking out, so I don't know if you guys can see, but I have this very old twist that I have in my hair, and I sort of already started the self-care yesterday night because I did this sort of treatment, overnight treatment, before I started this video today. Today is actually Saturday, so it's self-care Saturday. um so anyway, this video, I want to start by taking out this very old twist before I wash my hair. So I'm going to also be steaming my hair, carving my really bushy eyebrows, and maybe doing a facial mask depending, or a lip scrub to complete everything. But yeah, it's just going to be all about self-care, and you guys are going to come along with me for self-care Saturday. Thank you guys for sticking around. So I don't know. I think I'm going to start by, honestly, I know I look very crazy, but you guys should not worry. We'll sort this out. So yeah. Anyway, once I get these tweets out, I'm going to just hop into the shower, and this is not, I repeat, this is not a hair care video. It's basically going to be self-care, even though I'm going to start with hair care. But yeah, let me just see what we have here. I already started off, like, I know I look very crazy right now, but you guys should not mind. So before I step into wash my hair, I think I want to oil it a bit before I go in, because oiling your hair is just important. It helps your hair not get stripped from, like, washing and shampooing, especially if you have natural hair. Like, it really helps you if you um oil your hair and your scalp before you start. Haha, you guys know I wash my hair in sections, so today is not going to be any different, even though it's not really a hair video. So now I'm just about ready to step into the shower. I'll be showing you guys most of it. Yeah, so guys, I used my elegant creamy moisturizing shampoo to wash my hair. So it's just been like 2.5 weeks since I last washed my hair, but any other time I leave my hair for longer, I found that it's much dirtier. So try to wash your hair regularly, guys. It really helps, because honestly, there's a lot of dust out there clinging to your hair every time you go out or you wear your hair out. Then I move on to conditioning my hair. The same elegant conditioner. The product is really nice and I'm loving it. Okay, so I definitely think you should try it out. So when I apply the conditioner, like I said, not really a hair video, but yeah, I just work it into my hair strands, and then I move on to combing it through my hair, because it just helps the conditioner like spread throughout my hair. And then I move on to my different sections. I don't know, um washing my hair in sections is just easier because it helps me, um make sure that the product gets to every section of my hair. So guys, I've been out of the shower for a while, and I'm just going to use this product to steam my hair, sort of like deep condition. And I've been using it for a while. It's actually really nice. This is all that I have. Smells good too. So yeah, I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair, and then using my at home steam cap. So yeah. So I've just put my hair under this steam cap, so I'm going to leave it on for just about 20 minutes for the heat to really help the deep conditioner penetrate into my hair strands. So while we're waiting, I made this rice mask, and it's sort of like made by grinding rice into a paste. So anyway, I put it into this container, and I'm just going to be applying that on my face while we wait for the 20 minutes to be up. So yeah, treat this face mask um recently, and this is actually my first time of trying it. But yeah, it's made from like grinding rice into like a fine paste without like much water. So this is what it comes out to be. Yeah. So some of the benefits of these rice marks is that it helps your skin, like it helps get rid of, excess facial oil like sebum. And this in turn, it kind of like helps your face prevent acne, because you guys know my skin is extremely acne prone. So yeah, this mask is really good if you have like oily skin. So guys, it's been about 20 minutes, so I'm just going to go and rinse out my face and my hair. Then I'll be back to blow dry my hair and see if I can carve my brows. Okay. Yeah, see you guys.
2,000 years later.
Time to carve. So, guys, I do not recommend this if you don't have prior experience with carving your brows. before you shave off all your eyebrows, please get someone to help you if you don't know how to do this, because I know that I had a couple of years of like practice before I could even begin to know what I was doing with carving my brows. But it's not as if it's very hard. It's pretty easy. Make sure you use a new razor each time you want to carve though. And you guys, you need to be careful because it's pretty easy to cut off everything or even cut yourself in the process. So yeah, I just carved my brows, and I know it's not perfect, but at least it's decent enough and it's better than what it looked like before. And that's what is important to me. So yeah.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end.
What do you guys think?
Think you know your girl so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, keep wasting my time.
So guys, I think this is pretty nice. I tried. At least I think I tried. Yeah. So guys, with that we've come to the end of today's beauty maintenance video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you're here. Thanks so much for watching, and subscribe to the channel for more. And also don't forget to prioritize self-care.